We are in 14205. We're in a balcony deck room here on the Costa Smeralda. So we'll go through a quick room tour here. It's really quite nice when you walk in. It's nice and bright. So we've got a really interesting little floral panel with a mirror. Now you will look at the bathroom and the closet in a minute. So here you have a little desk with a chair, a lamp, and we have some welcome information. And it is a queen size bed and a nice welcome kit in English, at least for us, which is great. So there's some information in this brochure which talks about all the goings on during the day, and it's really quite extensive. A lot going on. It talks about where to eat, what to do, and this is only for today, and it basically starts at 5 o'clock because it's embarkation day. And a little bit about the online packages, and then we have a welcome kit. Also in the room we have a built-in TV and a really neat little Italian style wall here. It brings us back to our phone and TV. Okay, and then the most important part of being on the balcony room is, of course, the balcony. And I've already opened up the window here, but this thing is massive. It's a huge roundabout balcony. It's I would say it's a good, 15, 16 feet out. And you can see our view from here. We jut out so far that we can see right into other people's houses, I suppose. And we can look down into people's terraces. Whoops. And then you can see out through the neighbors. And then I'll go around again because I think my neighbor is out and I don't think they want their video taken. So on our balcony we have some seating here. A little tiny table. We have a little lounge. And now I will just go back in and show you the bathroom and the closet space. So Kirk and I are off for the next 7 months. At least that's what we've booked so far. And we have 3 suitcases full of stuff as we travel around the world on 14 different ships where we'll be doing tours of each of the different cruise lines. So this bathroom is kind of neat. It's very upgraded. It's got a neat floor. It's got lots of shelving here on the side. And a big enough shower. I do see that inside of the shower there's a soap dish there. Oh, you know what? It looks like it actually looks through into the room. You can see through there. I didn't know that, so I guess Well, I'm going to have to go around and just check that out for us. So it doesn't look like it comes with any of the shampoo or anything like you would find on some other cruise lines, but I definitely see soap. So we have right next to the bathroom, we have a little closet, and we have to go check into our muster station, and they do request us to wear our life jackets. There's extra bedding down on the bottom. So it's a double closet. Garbage, light, very small end tables. And I guess that is the tour of our room 14205 on the Costa Smeralda.